Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past questions biology 2018. Question number 17. The hygrometer is used for measuring A. Relative humidity, B. Specific gravity, C. Rainfall, D. Salinity. Now, the hygrometer is actually used in measuring relative humidity. That is what you use hygrometer to measure. Now, what is this relative humidity? Relative humidity, it's actually a measure of the amount. Relative humidity is the measure of the amount of moisture. So whenever you measure the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, then you say you're measuring relative humidity. So that is what relative humidity is, and it can be measured using hygrometer. That's what you use in measuring relative humidity. Now, it is usually high in the hot wet weather. So you have relative humidity to be high in hot wet weather or hot wet regions. That's where you get your relative humidity to be high, and it affects the rate at which evaporation takes place. So relative humidity affects the rate at which evaporation takes place, and you can measure it using hygrometer. That is the equipment used in measuring relative humidity, and that makes option A to be the right answer. Thank you.